Here we go. Klim. Although it does say Klim, and I'll fight anybody that says otherwise. Now this helmet took me some time to pick. I knew I wanted something different for the modular helmet showy, and I've had full face before and I've had open face, and I really wanted an integral visor. This doesn't have an integral visor, but I felt the lightness of this was so compelling that it had to be considered. Also, it comes with a transitions visor, so it will tint as you ride. So let's have a look at it. And it weighs absolutely nothing. So my showy I think is 1.8 kilos. This is 1.3. This is a large. If you've got the medium, it's a 1.2 kilos. Now I will say, as I do when I get stuff from this shop, I got 10% discount because of Defence Discount Service, taking this from £660 down to £594. A big discount. So if you're not sure whether you qualify for Defence Discount Service or Blue Light card, it's definitely worth a look. Or if you know someone with a card, convince them to go shopping with you. Here we are. The Klim Krios Pro. Tell me what you think in the comments. Cheers.